Hey everyone, my name is Likwa and welcome to Building Africa's Next Tech Unicorn. So, on this platform, I share my experiences, lessons that I've learned, and insights from building a startup from scratch within the African context. So, I'm currently working on a multimodal cognitive companion and hopefully the world's first true AGI or artificial general intelligence platform. But today I want to share some of the funniest and most common misconceptions that people have about being a software developer. Where do I even start? So maybe let's begin with the most interesting requests that I get. Number one, we have, can you please hack my husband or my wife's phone, particularly WhatsApp? People are curious about what their partners are getting up to online, and I always politely decline, of course, but sorry, I am not a hacker for hire. And number two, there's the classic misconception that I'm a gadget repair expert. So I get a lot of people asking me to help fix their devices. My phone's not working, WhatsApp isn't sending messages, I can't connect to the internet. So while I can troubleshoot and fix some issues, let's just say it's often a combination of systematic trial and error and a lot of Google searching. Then there's the assumption that I'm always available to chat on WhatsApp or that I'm always playing games on my phone. And that gives them the impression that since I have better to do, I can be used for other errands and other stuff. I think because most people use their phones for that, they can't picture someone else using it for work. The mobile phone or tablet is, in essence, a computer. And apart from writing code, I do most of my work there. I also have targets and deadlines. And just to keep it real with you, I have only one game on my phone and I downloaded it after we moved. And that was because at some point I couldn't work and we had no internet. So instead of just staring into the dark at night, it made more sense just to get it to keep me occupied. In fact, nowadays when I have Wi-Fi, I get mobile data and I use Meta's chatbot or WhatsApp's ChatGPT to be productive. And so I am on my computer, but that doesn't mean I'm playing games or chatting all day. And then people also think I am a night owl by choice. Well, let me explain. It's partly because our electricity supply is more reliable at night, and partly because there are fewer distractions. I always told people that writing code is like counting with your fingers and toes. Once you get distracted or you lose focus, you have to start again. So at night, I am more focused, and I use one of those laptops that doesn't work when it's not connected to a power source. So nighttime works best for me. The other thing I get a lot is that people think coding is complicated, it's boring, it's tedious, and it's only for geniuses. Okay, that part about geniuses I like. And I think I agree on the perception of it being complicated. I consider myself a pretty decent developer. I've written over 200 articles and tutorials on software development. But whenever I get on these developer platforms, I read people's posts and questions and I end up on Google just to figure out what they were even talking about. So I'm not sure if that genius part still holds. However, I wouldn't say it's complicated. It's more about being systematic and breaking things down to their basic form. I also think it's quite rewarding when you build something from scratch and it actually works. These are just a few of the funny misconceptions I've encountered as a software developer. If you're a fellow dev, I'm sure you can relate to some of them. If you're not, then now you know what not to assume about us. That's it for this video. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
We're building Africa's next tech unicorn.